Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a person you met at a party and enjoyed a conversation with. You should say, who was the person? What topics did you discuss? How did you feel? I met Rahul, an intriguing individual, during a close friend's birthday celebration a few months back. I was intrigued by his experiences and observations as soon as we spoke. He was a travel blogger. Having traveled to several nations, he had a wealth of knowledge about other customs, cuisines, and cultures to impart. After exchanging brief greetings, we quickly moved on to more interesting subjects. Rahul discussed his solo trip to Europe, the difficulties he encountered, and the life-changing moments he experienced while traveling to new locations. In addition to travel, we talked about personal development, job goals, and the value of pushing oneself. He gave insightful tips on how anyone with a love of adventure might travel on a tight budget and see the world without breaking the bank. I was also interested in the topic of communication abilities. Rahul highlighted how, in both personal and professional spheres, good communication can lead to better chances. Because this chat was both enlightening and motivating, I really loved it. I was deeply impacted by Rahul's passion for travel and self-improvement. I was inspired to travel and hone my public speaking abilities. I learned from meeting him how meeting new individuals can open our minds to new ideas and perspectives. By the end of the celebration, I had gained new friends in addition to important life lessons. This encounter strengthened my conviction that having meaningful talks can be both entertaining and life-changing. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.